Hello, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 4 before selling it. So the first way that we can do this is by logging in. If we can go to settings right here, go to this, and scroll all the way down to the bottom to initialization. And then we can go to PS4 initialization. And then we want to do a full one. Completely delete data from the system storage and initialize the PS4. Now it says this method takes several hours, but in my experience it only takes about maybe like 20 minutes. So just go to that option and then you should be good to go initializing your PS4 before you sell it. Now if you're not able to log in, there's still a way that we can do this. So we want to turn off our PlayStation 4 and put it into the recovery mode. So let's go on down to my PlayStation right now. And here it is. Hold down the PlayStation button when it's turned on, or the power button. You're going to hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear another beep. And this will completely turn it off. And we want no light to be turned on. Then take a USB cable and plug in your controller just like this. And you can see I have it plugged in, and we're going to need this plugged in to operate the recovery mode. When this light stops blinking, right here, we want to hold down the power button once again. So it should stop blinking right now, and then hold down the power button. You're going to hear one beep, and then you're going to hear two beeps. When you hear that second beep, let go. Alright, now with your controller plugged in, press the PlayStation button so you can operate the safe mode menu. So let's go up now, and here is my screen. So let's press this. Go on down to initialize PS4 under this screen, and then go over to yes. And this is how you can initialize it without logging in. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.